Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'll show you how to make crispy fish fingers. It's an amazing appetizer. It can be eaten with tomato ketchup, mayonnaise or any kind of dip. But I'm going to serve with tartar sauce. It's a very good combination. And also I'll be making mayonnaise for tartar sauce and cubed potato fries. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make fish fingers. Here I've got 600 grams of fish fillet. To make this recipe, you can use any fish having thick boneless flesh. Since I'm making fish fingers, I'm going to cut it into finger size. Now let's marinate the fish. Into a bowl, add the fish. To this I'm adding a tablespoon of lemon juice. You can also use vinegar. A teaspoon of each chili flakes, garlic powder, onion powder and salt. You can also use ginger garlic as well instead of garlic powder. This is 4 tablespoons of plain flour. Add little water, mix it all together and keep it aside to marinate for around 10 to 15 minutes. Ingredients to make mayonnaise. Into a mixer jar, add 1 cup of oil, any unflavored oil, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of salt. Crush some mustard and add quarter teaspoon of mustard powder. You can also use mustard paste. Immerse the hand blender right up till the end and blend it for 30 seconds. Slowly lift it up, twirl and blend for 30 more seconds. Smooth and silky mayonnaise is ready in a minute. Transfer it to a container, cover and keep it in the fridge and use it whenever you need it. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice and give a mix. Ingredients to make tartar sauce. To make tartar sauce, first let's chop gherkins. This is the main ingredient. It's nothing but pickled cucumber. Chop it as fine as you can. I'm adding shallots to this recipe. Now let's chop it. Instead of shallots, you can also use some chopped garlic. Let's make tartar sauce. Into a bowl, add half a cup of mayonnaise. Add finely chopped gherkins. Finely chopped shallots. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice and give it a nice mix. Tartar sauce is ready in no time. It's an amazing combination for fish fingers. Give it a try. Ingredients to make potato fries. This is 500 grams of potatoes. Let's cut them into small cubes. To the cubed potatoes, I am adding 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of cornmeal. This will give extra crunch to your fries. Mix all this really well. Let the flour coat well on the potatoes. Heat up enough oil for frying. Add the potatoes and fry on a medium heat until they are light golden and crispy. Potatoes are nice and crisp. Now remove it from the oil and put it on a paper towel. Season it with some salt and chili powder. Fish has been marinating for 15 minutes. Now let's coat them in the breadcrumbs. You can store them in the freezer after you coat them in the breadcrumbs. This stays good in the freezer for a long time and you can fry them whenever you need it. Into a pan, add oil, keep the flame on medium heat and fry the fish fingers until they are light golden. You can either grill in an oven or shallow fry it. Do not turn the fish as soon as you drop it into the oil. Just wait for a minute to cook and then you can turn it to the other side and cook. Fish fingers are done. Now remove it from the oil and put it on a kitchen towel. These finger chips are one of the favorite snacks for kids and a quick lunchbox recipe. Kids who don't like fish, even they will enjoy this recipe. Quick and easy fish fingers accompanied with tartar sauce, tomato ketchup and potato fries. It's an excellent combination. You must try it and I'm sure you'll love it. Share the recipe with your family and friends and enjoy. If you like this recipe, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.